Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into G. First of all, what you have to do is open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, that is your URL section, type down login G. First of all, what you have to do is type down login G and enter it after you're done and click on the first option that says login G. Make sure that you click on the correct website of G, which is gnet.org, and an interface like this will be shown in your screen. So simply type down your username or email as per your requirements. So as I'm going to type down my username and as well as your password as well, and click on this option that says login, and then you'll be successfully logged into your G. And if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, you have this option that says forgot your password just right above the login option, which is forgot password, and then you'll be able to recover your password as well or reset that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.